Lieutenant Governor Brigadier B.D. Mishra has called on local artisans to take full advantage of the Prime Minister's Vishwakarma scheme. Addressing an exhibition in Leh to celebrate the scheme's first anniversary, the Lieutenant Governor emphasized the importance of blending traditional craftsmanship with modern technology to drive Ladakh's growth. The PM Vishwakarma scheme, which offers support ranging from skill development to collateral free credit, is aimed at empowering artisans across the country. As tensions continue along the border in eastern Ladakh, Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi has offered new insights into India's strategic response nearly 4 years after the standoff with China began. Speaking at the Bharat Shakti Defense Conclave, General Dwivedi revealed that the Indian Army has completed the first stage of what he described as a rebalancing process initiated after the border clashes of May 2020. However, he emphasized that more steps are still required. He also announced that the year of technology absorption will extend into 2025 as part of the broader decade of transformation spanning from 2022 to 2032. The acting Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court, Justice Tashi Rabstan, has called on judicial officers across Ladakh to ensure the swift disposal of cases, particularly those involving senior citizens, women, and children. Currently visiting the Union Territory, Justice Rabstan also emphasized the need to fast track pending inquiries concerning juveniles in conflict with the law. During his tour, Justice Rabstan inspected ongoing judicial infrastructure projects in Dras, Kargil, and Khalsi, stressing the importance of robust legal facilities in the region. He engaged with judicial officers at each location, urging them to prioritize the reduction of case backlogs, especially those impacting vulnerable groups. In a landmark event in the realm of defense technology kicked off in Leh with the inauguration of the HIMTech Symposium 2024, spearheaded by the Indian Army in collaboration with the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. The symposium focuses on advancing defense technology for high altitude operations. Lieutenant General M.V. Suchindra Kumar, General Officer Commanding in Chief of the Northern Command, inaugurated the event with the theme Harnessing Defense Technology for High Altitude Areas. In a significant development for education and skill enhancement in Ladakh, a tripartite memorandum of understanding was signed between the University of Ladakh, HCL Tech, and the Hydrocarbon Sector Skill Council. This partnership aims to provide students and faculty in Ladakh with access to advanced technological courses and skill based programs. In a formal address, Vice Chancellor Professor S.K. Mehta highlighted the importance of the collaboration in bridging the gap between academia and industry. Ms. Samriti Shivshankar of HCL Tech delivered a special talk on the transformative power of AI, marking a new chapter in Ladakh's educational landscape. Chairman and Chief Executive Councillor of LASDC Kargil Dr. Mohammad Zafar Akhund met with the Acting Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh Justice Tasi Rabstan on Friday. Dr. Akhund extended his congratulations to Justice Rabstan for being recommended as the next Chief Justice, marking a proud moment as he becomes the first from Ladakh to hold this position. During the meeting, Dr. Akhund stressed the importance of establishing a circuit bench of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court in Kargil, highlighting how it would provide easier access to justice for the region's people. He also raised additional public welfare concerns, seeking judicial support for the local community.